Hi folks, Bobby Stevens, General Manager here at Wilson Hyundai on Lakeland Drive. I just wanted to take a minute in this uncertain time and let you know that Wilson Hyundai, just like we have been for the last 30 years, is here for you now more than ever. We understand that your transportation is an essential part of your life and your daily routine, so we will be here to help you every step of the way. We have a professional cleaning staff that cleans and sanitizes all of our buildings, all of our door handles every day, and then we do it every hour on the hour to keep our facilities safe and sanitary for you and your family. We are committed to serving our community, and we will remain open during this time to help you with all of your transportation needs. From car repair, warranty work, safety recalls, car maintenance, even upgrading to a new or lower mileage pre-owned vehicle. The manufacturer has come out with incredible incentives right now to help you, as well as I'm sure you have seen all over the TV and media. Buy online, in person, or we'll bring a vehicle to your home or office. You can contact us at www.wilsonhyundai.com or 601-914-4200. Remember, buy happy and healthy. It's the Wilson way.